Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinwe Juliet, and today I'll be teaching you two different styles that you can rock this holiday season. And one is an updo and one is a low bun, but they're both chic and they're both beautiful. And I'll be using my lovely sister-in-law's hair, as you can see, to show you this updo. If you've been following my vlogmas, then you definitely would have already met my sister-in-law Loveth, and she has actually been natural for 5 years. She went natural after she met me. So yeah, this is the result of when you listen to my tips. So yeah, so her hair is about a bra strap length, and as you can see, is pretty long. So I'm so excited for her because she's like an ambassador for me. But anyway, let's get right into the tutorial. And the first hairstyle we'll be doing is the updo.
If you want this volume, if you want this length, follow Igbocurls. That's all. Hi.
So the first thing you'll need to do for this hairstyle is to split the back into 2 equal halves. Then take a pin and secure the ends of both parts. All I'm pretty much doing here is taking small parts from the middle and using it to form my base. So using it to form the puff of the updo, and I'm just going ahead to repeat the same thing, taking hair from the sides and pinning it into the updo. So this is quite difficult to explain, but I'm just going to let you all continue watching so that you can see for yourself what I did. But it's a beautiful updo to rock, and you're going to love it. The second hairstyle is a beautiful low bun, as I said earlier, and all I'm doing here is just stretching her hair with my fingers, and I have applied extra virgin olive oil to her hair to make it shine a little bit, and I'm just brushing it down gently. So I'm not brushing it aggressively, I'm brushing it gently, but I put the video on fast forward so it might be looking more aggressive than it looks. Moving on, so all I'm doing here is wrapping her hair with my hands, and once I'm able to gather all her hair in place, I am using my swirly curly snappies, and you can find a link to purchase this in the description box below. So I just need to wrap it around to secure her hair in the low bun, and it stays without causing any unnecessary breakage or tension. And then I'm following up with just parting the hair left out into two and then wrapping it around. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you're going to be trying any one of these styles, and happy holidays in advance. So make sure you live well, live great, and pray always. Take care, lovelies. Bye.